Welcome to the Terrajet air mover and cooler installation guide. In this 10-step process, we will take you through how to install this compressed air-driven air mover for use in confined spaces, specifically in stope, winds, raise and boxhole ventilation. Before we begin, make sure that you have prepared for the installation. This includes making sure that you have the appropriate safety equipment, Terrajet air movers and pipes, as well as the necessary tools and accessories required for the installation. Establish where through ventilation is occurring at the installation site and prepare to install the Terrajet air mover in the upstream portion. Do this in such a way to prevent recirculation from occurring, as required to mine standards. Ensure that the Terrajet ejector annulus gap is set to the desired aperture. This is done by rotating the inner spool. Please consult your supervisor for clarity on how to do this. Suspend the Terrajet air mover horizontally against the sidewall by attaching a wire to the eye bolts, ensuring a tight connection for static transference to earth. Do this in such a way as not to impede any traffic or mobile machinery. If necessary, use a socket at the front of the Terrajet air mover to connect an additional 2 meter by 200 millimeter diameter pipe and tape over the connection with wrapper duct. Suspend this pipe to the sidewall by means of an eye bolt and wire, ensuring that the pipe stays in a straight and horizontal line leading from the Terrajet air mover. Continue repeating step 6 until the required distance from the advancing face has been reached, with additional lengths of 2 meter by 200 millimeter diameter pipe and socket, or install a 200 millimeter bend using the same installation and suspension as before. Ensure that the yellow end piece muzzle is fitted to prevent fly rock from entering the pipe. Before connecting the Terrajet air mover to the compressed air pipe, open the valve on the compressed air column for a few seconds in order to flush the hose of any dirt or obstructions that may affect performance. Connect the Terrajet air mover to a constant supply of compressed air by means of a 25 millimeter air hose with a suitable air spud connection. Ensure that a safety sling is fastened between the connectors to prevent inadvertent disconnection when the air valve is opened. Once the compressed air hose is connected to the Terrajet air mover, open the valve fully. Please note that if you are using the wet Terrajet air mover, ensure the needle valve is fully closed, then open the valve to the water column. Open the needle valve slowly until the required atomization is achieved. Supervisors are to regularly check the Terrajet air mover for accumulation of dirt buildup at the ejector of the Terrajet air mover. This can be done by simply brushing with a cleaning brush. Weekly flushing of the air filter is also recommended by turning the red flush valve at the front of the dirt trap. Complete maintenance or cleaning of the Terrajet air mover can be carried out by rock drill or fitter shops, who can be instructed by OEM in this operation to prolong the life of the Terrajet air mover. For more information or additional insights, please do not hesitate to contact our client service team directly. Terramin, 30 years of innovation to the mining industry.